everybody. Today is gonna be a review of 3 watches. This is exactly the same watches but 3 different modifications. One of the first I get it, that was been an Ingersoll Bloch. I've been looking long time for it, and I never realized that these watches have 3 versions. So today we're reviewing all of them 3, and today is on review Ingersoll Bloch automatic watch. So let's get started. That's exactly the same 3 watches but in different colors and in different modifications. So here it is, Ingersoll the Bloch. Let's start from white version. In box is presented manual, how to adjust watch, how to carry about this watch, how to use it, and how to properly set up the dates and time. Here is authenticity card, that's made out of metal. And watch itself. Box is made like on some kind of walnut, looking amazing. That's original Ingersoll box. Here is a clear screen protector. I will gonna apply today to this watch because I just get at this one on auction, and I decided to make a review of 3 of them. So I'm gonna put this box on the side. So let's go to this watch. I will gonna unpack. We're gonna show. On this watch is presented complications, date, weekdays and month. Plus here is a open this flywheel. Watch itself have screw crown, and at the back is a preview of the pendant. Not pendant, how it's called, I don't know. Pendant. So that's model 102601. So obviously this model is one of the first released from this series Bloch from Ingersoll. And that's first version. Light brown leather strap, light dial, blue arrows, and each of these watches have a feature when you adjusting, it stops whole movement, yeah, and then you can adjust, but in certain time. I will gonna show you on other version what is not wind up yet. I'm specially leave it to show you how it's adjusting this watch. So all complications apart this month dial. Month dial, I don't know, it's supposed to work along with the mechanism, but I have 3 watches and only this dial is not working on this watch. I don't know why they not put along with mechanism, but unfortunately it's not working. And I think it's going from manufacturer that they not added this feature. You can only adjust with the button. So this is the first version. Now it's gonna be another version. This is a pilot style, black with green luminous dial. This is my everyday wearer. So in case presented like this, Ingersoll, this batch, like on previous one, Ingersoll book, and card of authenticity. Here you are. Exactly the same like here. So this watch is my everyday this watch. I'm wearing this watch. I choose it because I like it, this dial. Dial is in a black color, green numbers, red arrow, plus I like it moving tourbillon. And you can see the leather strap is dark brown. At the back is exactly the same like on this watch, but difference between this watch and this watch, this is a 102,602. So that's the first one. This is the second one, and exactly the same features on this watch: date, month, and weekdays. And again, on this watch, this you can adjust only once in a month by hand. So here it is, another watch. And now I will gonna show you the black version, what was being released, one of the last from Ingersoll. That's a black version. Like I said, presented exactly the same way. The box is exactly the same. Here was been a small repair on this box because when person sent that this part broke off and I needed to fix it. So, and a bit unresponsible seller. He sent me watch, he not even put inside this any foam, nothing. So this watch was been playing inside, and what I needed to do, I needed to open the watch, take out movement, because inside was been broken glass pieces, and this watch, this glass stuck in inside the mechanism, and it stopped moving. So I needed to remove whole movement, clean it, everything, and assemble it back. So obviously this watch was being like repaired or something like that, but just been done a small maintenance to this watch. So here it is. With this watch I will gonna show you how it's adjusting, how properly to adjust this watch to don't damage a mechanism. Today we have here, these watches are adjusted properly, so I will gonna adjust by them. This one I'm wearing every day. After I will gonna show you how each of them are looking on hand. So first of all, you unscrewing crown. Yeah. It's like jumping, have spring inside. Moving in one position. Yeah. This prevents you to movement. This prevents you to movement, start walking while you're adjusting Sean. Why you have a burger on your back? Huh? Let's continue to watch. It was been funny. he put accidentally burger on his back. Okay, a bit fun. So when you're opening the crown in a first position, it prevents movement, start moving. So obviously with this button you changing the dates. Yeah, see, you see, I will gonna put what you need to do. You need to put 1 day before you start moving crown. So today we have 14, yeah, so we need to put 13. 13. If today is Wednesday, we need to put on Tuesday. Yeah, so this is a month. Today we have 6 months. So 6 months we are adjusting with this button, and only once in a month, because this dial is not working along with mechanism. And for this dial, have here button. You put, now we have Monday, so you put on Tuesday, because today we have Wednesday. So what you're doing, screwing only clockwise, only clockwise. So you're going 24 hours, usually you're going clockwise. No, don't put anti-clockwise, because you can damage a mechanism. So as you can see, this dial start moving, yeah? And this dial will gonna move as well. See, little by little when I'm moving, hop, this jumped, and here is already date 14, yeah. Now it's 20 past 3, and we need to put now right time. Oh, it's 12 o'clock. Uh, 22 past 3. 1, 2. Now you're closing this one time. It start moving. And what you additionally need to do when watch is stopping, to have power to the flywheel, you need to wind this watch. Doesn't matter that you have no automatic watch working from movement, you still need to put 20-30 times screw at this crown, so to fully wind this watch. On all automatic watches is the same system, because here have spring what is sleeping inside, but have additional power what getting this movement going around. So here it is. When you adjust it, you put back, pressing back the crown and screwing on a thread what is on a crown. Here you are. And this watch is with black strap. So this watch is have matte back, stainless steel matte back, and this is the number 102603. Yeah. So obviously that's how looking 3 different versions of this watch. I myself prefer from all of them 3, this one. This is my best, what I'm wearing every day, everywhere, in any occasion. These two we're gonna go for sale. So I will gonna put links down below under my video, and you can find this two online for sale. Because I'm thinking before, when I buy this one, I've been thinking if this will not gonna work because of this if this I will not gonna manage to fix it, this will be for me for a spare parts for this watch. But I managed to get it going, so obviously these two will gonna go for sale, and this one I'm leaving for myself as everyday user. So I'm gonna show you how they looking on hand. This watch is quite big, as you see. That's 45 millimeter in diameter, so this is quite large watch. White one with light orange belt. That's how it looks. Here you are. Thick leather strap. I love this thickness of the strap. So here it is. One. Now at the back here is showing Ingersoll and genuine leather. This one is my favorite. I love this one. That's one of the best looking watches from all this series. That's looking amazing. Military style with green luminous arrows. And another one is black. They're looking also no bad, quite looking interesting, but I'm get used to it, to the brown ones, and I choose it. Just leave it comments down below what you think, or this kind of black or this kind of black. I prefer this one, so this one is my one, and they will be with me. So if you like it, this review, please leave it comments down below what you will like that I will show in the next videos. This three for now was been on review. This one is staying with me, this two is going for sale. Here is a boxes for them. So you can see, three of them exactly the same. So for today's video I'm done. Thank you for your subscription. Have a nice day and see you in the next videos. Have a good day and bye bye.